Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to trim tires. Okay, so first thing, prepare a wheel or any spare wheel and make sure you puncture or pierce so that the shaft can be installed onto the wheel. And after that, I'm going to install the shaft onto the ER11 shaft right here. So loosen the nut first and then install it in. Okay, so you can change how much distance you want to put it in or pull it out, so it doesn't matter. Okay, after that I'm gonna tighten the nut. So hold on. Okay, so you need 2 spanners and they will be included inside the trimmer set. So okay, so don't over tighten it, just normal tight would be enough. Okay, so first thing I'm going to teach you is to split tires. So right now you see I have installed a OFA knife that's from Japan. So I'm going to split tires first. So I'm going to put on the sponge or whatever, soft tires. Let's start with soft tires first. Okay, so each trimmer will have a switch so you can turn it on. And good thing about this export table is that you can rotate here and it will go in, or you can use my hand and push it in, you see? So if you want to do it quick, in a quick way, cut it quick way, just push it in with your hand. See? That easy. And you can rotate here so that it moves this way or right, left or right. And if I want to cut like in the middle, I can push it with. And here it comes off the tires. And that's all you do. And let's try with a sponge. Okay, hold on a sec. Okay, so turn the switch on and push it in with your hand like this and turn it off, and here's your sponge. So prepare a spare wheel for this, and you can split tires like sponge, soft tires, whatever. Okay, so this is a blade holder, so this can be removed, and I'm going to show you right now, and I'm going to turn it over so you can change to another blade for trimming tires. So use this hexagon spanner, whatever you call it, and loosen it. Alright, so now it comes off. Okay, so right now we're done splitting tires. Now I'm gonna change this knife, this OFA blade. I'm gonna unscrew it to loosen up, and it will just come right off like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove the screw. The screw is for locking the OFA knife. I'm gonna change it to a longer screw, and same here. I'm gonna screw it in. Okay, so right now I'm gonna change to a blade that suitable for trimming tires, like this. Okay, same thing, lock it up. Okay, so once you install it, lock it up with this. Okay, don't over tighten it, or you're gonna make the thread like wear out. So before, we use this side and install it onto these two holes, and right now I'm gonna flip it around and install it this way. You can change it over here or this way, it doesn't matter. It depends on different tires or wheels, you need different settings. So right now I'm gonna use these two holes. These two holes should be enough for any work. So right now I'm gonna flip it around and screw it up. Install it. Okay, same thing. Don't over tighten it, just normal tight would do. Okay, so right now I've changed the blade. So I'm gonna change to a different wheel. I'm gonna put tires on the wheel and glue it first, and then I'm gonna show it how to trim tires on the next video.